Yo, what is going on YouTube? Many of you have been asking for an update, so here it is. I'm going to be showing you how to get free skin cases in Rivals. This is the easiest and fastest method to get level 3 skin cases for free in Roblox Rivals, working right now in 2026. And this actually uses a code, guys. So this is a simple Rivals code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to supply you with tons of free skin cases. Before I show you exactly how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends. So let's get into the tutorial, guys, and show you exactly how to go ahead and get these free skin cases in Roblox Rivals. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone to obtain your code. Then you can go ahead and just redeem it in game. So I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well. And all you need to do, guys, is head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it exactly like this, guys. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this game code website. When you reach this page, you're going to want to use the search bar to search for the Rivals code page. Now, there are hundreds of different pages, so this just basically speeds up the process of finding the Rivals Roblox codes. Now, guys, when you reach this page here, you're going to see thousands of people have actually used this method previously, and these are awesome. So scroll down until you find the skin case code. So this is going to get 20 skin case level 3s for free in Roblox Rivals. And I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes, and it is well worth it. You can see this is a verified working code, and 44 people have used it today, but thousands have used this over the period of the year. So you just got to wait for it to find a valid code for you. And as you can see here, it says your code is ready. And the code will be revealed in the box after verification. So your Rivals Roblox code is hidden, and you need to unlock your code. That basically stops people taking more than one of these codes. So click on get full code, and you're going to see a new page here, the code unlocker. Now, I did this earlier, guys, so it's pretty simple. Takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code. And you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the apps. So on this page, you're going to have a list of applications. They're all completely free, and these are really easy tasks, guys, like installing and opening the app, installing and opening 2 apps, playing a game. So download and install this app and play a game for 5 minutes, enter your details. That's basically a free giveaway or survey. So you just need to complete 2 of these. They're really easy. Follow the instructions, and if you do that, it will unlock your code. So your Rivals Roblox code for your free skin cases will be revealed in this box. I did this earlier. Once you have your code, make sure you use it for yourself, guys, because these are one-time use. Like I said, I redeemed it earlier and I tried to reuse it and it didn't work again. So you need to make sure you use your code for yourself. Head on over to Cold Coupons, and that is how to get free skin cases in Rivals. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.